Hi friends, BIM model we are creating now one quantity take-up schedule. How can able to create this schedule? In my project I can create my own simple project. I can do this quantity take-up for this project. See, now I can check the levels. First of all, which level are pipe in shown the level wise. For example, level 1, level 2, level 3, whatever it is shown, that level wise we are taking the quantity take up. That's why we are giving the pipe location in properly arrangement the level. I am cross checking now. You can check it. I can select the pipe, then shown the level also. That's why I can 4 level created. After that I can take the quantity take up of the first schedule for pipe size. This pipe size quantity take up, I need to create first of all level wise the pipe size. Now I can create the new schedule. After that, new schedule arrangement. I need pipe size, that's why I tick the pipe. First of all I select the pipes here, then I can put it the OK button. After that I schedule properties. I can select the field arrangement, which one need the arrangement column. That's why I can select level, length, diameter, material. Diameter, system type also needed. We are creating the pipe routing. System type also we are consider the drawing. Draw the pipes also. All pipes are the doing system type in BIM model. Yeah, selected. After that we can arrange the field arrangement. First we need level, second one is system type, third one material, diameter, and last one length. Now is schedule arrangement, field arrangement is okay. Second is I can put the filter. First level, that level we are considering the particular level. That's why I can give the name which level you are taking, first level, second level, whatever it is. In my reference I can put the level column AB. See, AB level all is coming. After that I want to set the filter arrangement also. One by one I can do this schedule arrangement. You can follow the schedule arrangement. You can also able to take the quantity in your project in same method. Clearly is coming the pipes length also. Now I can arrange the sorting and grouping. System type, material, diameter, level. Formatting. One by one you can check it. After that, where you want to change that field, you can must to change, otherwise schedule is not coming properly. I want to change here also equal to, okay. Then calculate total. Now I can arrange the simple arrangement. You can check the schedule. Sum of modification only is dead. After that we want to again re-edit the schedule. Go back to shorten and grouping. Header, I can put the tick mark. Again open. You check it now. sum of changing. Again I want to go back to shorten and grouping, because 100 dia is shown in more than. I want to reduce the size, not a size, because the 100 I want to show one column only. That's why I can re-editing item wise every instant untick. See, properly is coming now. I can show now how can able to I taken this schedule. First column system type, second one steel galvanized material, third one diameter, fourth one level. Properly is coming now. After that, level, field arrangement, you check it, field level, system type, diameter, steel galvanized material, total length is counting 80 dia, total length is coming properly. Now is schedule, one schedule is ready now. You can rename the schedule. After that, pipe length is finished. Next one, we can create the schedule pipe accessories. The same procedure we can follow the pipe accessories. Whatever it is you needed, that field arrangement only you want to add the pipe accessories. You can select the pipe accessories here, OK button. Whatever it is you need, count. For example, ball valve or gate valve, butterfly valve, whatever it is you are using is counting. First of all, level, counting, family type. That's why I can select the size also. Which size are you using? You can check and add the level also. I can set the field arrangement. I can put the OK. Again I can select the filter, whatever it is. Filter arrangement, we are need the floor in particular, we want to give the level name. You can put the OK button. Now is ready for pipe accessories schedule also. Counting also is last shown. Ball valve is 2 count. The same procedure you can follow the in your project also. You can able to taken the quantity schedule also. In my reference I can create the schedule, this type of schedule I can take the quantity take up. See the full video, you also able to create the schedule, this type of schedules in BIM model. I can export the schedule. Select the location, save it. After that I can open Excel sheet. I can simply drag to Excel sheet. That time automatically change the Excel format also this type of schedule. Both schedule of save now. BIM model converting the schedule as a this method only. Now I can change the Excel format this type of schedule. Excel workbook. You can save properly coming Excel sheet. We can arrangement in our project reference whatever it is in Excel file we can do well. Is a better. In my reference I can arrange this type of schedule. See in my all videos and share to your friend circle also. You can able to easily learn in Revit. Don't skip the video. You can see the full video is better for your learning properly. Give me support in for this all videos. You also learn easily Revit. Subscribe my video. Keep on watch.